Bitch, my items, yeah, they came from the moon. Bitch, my items, yeah, they came from the moon. Yeah, my items, yeah, they came from the moon. Yeah, my items, yeah, they came from the moon. Space nigga, where you from? Hey nigga, where my gun? Break niggas, just for fun. Hey nigga, what you want? I'm on my own shit, bitch, I'm on my grown shit. Give a bitch my bone dick, by the way I own shit. Tell a nigga I'm him, burn a nigga rhyming. I feel like a rock man, I'ma go and drop him. I don't gotta slam a nigga litter than a mosh pit. Get a nigga gun, that's my flow, I'ma toss him. I can say I'm on one, give my ass a 8 count. Feel like I'ma drop, get the fuck out of my face now. Ayy, take a nigga down like it's MMA. Looking at these bitches and I know that they are feeling me. Bouncing on a dick, I bet she feeling like she in a rave. See that nigga walking over here, he wake up in a grave. Oh, you think you funny? Well, guess what? My face is fucking straight. Catch a nigga slipping like a janitor, I'm on my break. Don't play with the kid, I say it again. Don't play with the kid, I say it again. Bitches looking over here with a fucking friend. Keep on playing with me, laughing, I say it again. See me coming in a motherfucking Benz, yeah. I got all your friends and you piss, say who is him, yeah. I'm the one you can't be, the one you wanna try to be. Feeling like a prodigy, like no one ever stopping me. I feel like I'm death, I'ma see you in the night. Hey, knocking on these doors, yeah. Who gon' lose their life, yeah.